Before sunrise, the village workshop comes alive. Pure spring water is the beginning of every bottle. The water is collected directly from the source. Every container is filled and carried by hand. The first filtration removes leaves and sediment. Charcoal and sand provide natural purification. The purified water is protected from contamination. The cooking pots are thoroughly cleaned. Cola nuts give the drink its distinctive character. The nuts are crushed into coarse pieces. Fresh ginger adds natural spice. Traditional spices are prepared by hand. Sun-dried citrus peels bring a bright aroma. Sugar is slowly caramelized over fire. The caramel creates the cola's rich color. All the ingredients are combined. The syrup is cooked slowly and evenly. The flavors begin to blend together. The fire is kept steady for a long extraction. The syrup becomes darker and thicker. Experience guides the balance of flavor. The syrup is filtered until smooth. The concentrated syrup is stored for the next stage. A natural fermentation is prepared. The mixture is sealed to build pressure. Natural gas begins to form inside the jar. The gas is directed through bamboo tubing. Carbon dioxide is infused into the water. The vessel is shaken by hand to increase carbonation. The water becomes naturally sparkling. The pressure is checked carefully. The mixing barrels are prepared. The cola syrup enters the barrel first. Carbonated water is added with care. The drink is blended by hand. The traditional cola is now taking shape. The quality is checked visually. Reusable glass bottles are brought in for cleaning. Old labels are removed with hot water. Each bottle is cleaned thoroughly by hand. Steam is used to sterilize the glass. The bottles are dried in the open air. Every bottle is inspected individually. The manual filling station is ready. A cloth filter provides a final purification. The cola is poured carefully into each bottle. Every bottle is filled with the same careful routine. Natural carbonation creates a lively fizz. The fill level is measured by experience. The bottles rest briefly before sealing. The corks are softened for sealing. Each cork is adjusted by hand. A handmade press is used to insert the cork. The cork is pressed tightly into place. Natural wax is prepared for sealing. Beeswax helps preserve the carbonation. Each seal is tested before labeling. The seals are allowed to set. Natural pigments are prepared for the labels. A handcrafted printing block creates the brand. The block is coated with natural ink. Each label is printed by hand. The labels dry naturally before use. The labels are cut to size. Traditional glue is applied by hand. Every bottle receives its own handmade label. A village seal completes the branding. The finished bottles are ready for packaging. Reusable wooden crates are built locally. The crates are assembled with traditional joinery. Each crate is marked with the workshop brand. Straw protects the bottles from breaking. The bottles are packed with great care. The crates are loaded for the journey. The cola begins its trip to the market. Every crate travels without engines or machines. The journey requires patience and skill. The arrival of fresh cola is a special event. The market is the final destination. The Handcrafted brand is proudly displayed. The bottles are chilled using ice and evaporation. The drink is cooled for customers. Presentation is part of the craftsmanship.
The finished bottles look as impressive as they taste.
Customers notice the handcrafted details immediately. The natural carbonation is finally released. The drink pours with a rich, foamy finish. The traditional recipe wins immediate approval. Every bottle is collected and reused. Nothing is wasted in the workshop system. The production cycle begins again with the returned glass. Evening preparations begin for tomorrow's production. The fires are kept ready for the next brew. Fuel is gathered and stored by hand. Village craftsmen maintain every piece of equipment. The carbonation system is carefully maintained. The branding materials are renewed for the next run. Hand tools are essential to the entire operation. The finished cola rests overnight. The workshop grows quiet after a full day of work. A new production day begins. The process always begins with clean water. Generations of knowledge guide every measurement. The cola syrup is cooked with constant attention. Fermentation provides the fizz without any machinery. Human effort replaces mechanical compressors. The sparkling water meets the concentrated syrup. Clean bottles are prepared for another filling session. The entire bottling line runs through teamwork alone. Each bottle is sealed to hold its natural carbonation. Handmade branding gives every bottle its identity. Another shipment is ready for the road. Some deliveries travel by bicycle across the villages. The handcrafted cola reaches more communities. Every opening reveals the drink's lively sparkle. The bottle will be cleaned and filled again. The workshop is carefully prepared for another day. From spring water to market shelves, every bottle is created by African craftsmanship, tradition, and human hands.